First, click the image icon in Blogger. Go to From a URL. If your image is coming from Google Drive, right-click on the image you want. Click on Get Shareable Link. If link sharing is off, turn it on and copy the URL. Make sure it says anyone with the link can view. If not, go to Sharing Settings. Click on Advanced for more options. The top category is for broader audiences. Since your parents and other family members probably do not have UNIS addresses, we need to click on Change and set it to On, anyone with the link. And down here, it should say View. Save. Check your sharing settings one more time and click Done. Return to Blogger and paste the URL here. It will be shown a preview of your photo. Add selected. Now you can change the size, position it, and even add a caption. If you are choosing an image from online, the process is similar without having to change the sharing permissions. First, from the search page, click on View Image so the image opens in its own tab. Right-click the image, copy the image address, go back to the image icon, and paste that link into the From a URL option in Images. Add selected, and once again you can change the size, position it, and add a caption.